Hello, KMS. Mrs. Hines here. Happy Friday. So today we're going to showcase a makey controller. We're going to switch gears. So hopefully you had enough time to get acclimated to your new schedule. You are successful in logging into Google Classroom and finding any graded assignments that you need to turn into me. So you should have a pretty accurate idea of how you're doing in tech. So if you want any help with your portfolio, please let me know. Mr. Terselli surprised us yesterday with some of these makey microcontrollers. They'll work with your Scratch code and make your interactive games truly interactive. This microcontroller lets anything that conducts electricity become a key. So let me show you what I mean. In Scratch, you're able to create games in code. So we did this in the first weeks, and this is an interactive game. So it has two characters. This is a two-player game, and when one of the characters presses a key, it'll move across horizontally on that x-axis. So you can see there's two different characters here, and if they were in a raw, okay, it will say who wins. And this one was the top one that won, so that was pretty cool. So what would make this game more fun? Instead of using your keyboard, perhaps actually jumping up and down. So I'm hoping this video works. And this video was taken at a different school, so pre-corona. But they're using the same game, and you can tell that the girls are pouncing on aluminum foil. So by doing this, they're actually creating a circuit, they're closing the circuit, and they're actually getting the game to interact. You can see the makey right here light up whenever they're touching or they're completing that circuit. So what is going to hopefully end up happening, folks, is we'll do some demos today in class, showing you some things, how you can actually make your own controllers. We're going to end up bringing in some pretty cheap materials so you can make this at school or at home. The remote students are going to start off right along with us coding, and you'll be able to send code from your house and have it interact with kids in school. Again, your controllers, the things that are attached to your makey, really your imagination is the only limit. You can really make anything look however you want, right? As long as whatever is touching the circuit is conducting electricity, whether that be aluminum foil or something like Play-Doh, it will work. I'm pretty excited about that. The other thing we're also going to do is we're going to remix the game, and this will allow us to create a interactive game that makes noise. So I thought this would be kind of neat because we had that awesome presentation last period yesterday about audio engineering. So I'd like to see if you can add your own audio to this because this is obviously just like keyboards. But again, you can make an interactive controller with it and change the sounds in Scratch. So if you haven't done so already, please log into Google Classroom and also check out the Scratch website. You should have your sign in already. So if you're looking to how to sign into Scratch, remember Google Classroom is your best friend. So I just want to show you that here. Just pick a random. So remember on that classwork tab, sorry, mine's taking forever here, but we did create Scratch usernames, right, and passwords when we signed in. So right here, if you're not sure how to sign in, way back when, first week, we can do what is your Scratch username, we can figure that out. I'll also post the codes again on our daily sheet, so if you need to rejoin Scratch, please let me know and I can help you with that. We'll do that in class. And you can also create your own code. So basically this works because if you're touching a certain button, something is happening here, right? Whether that be a sound, a change of costume, or a movement, that simple block of code will allow for so much interaction on your part, which is pretty cool. All right, KMS, I'm really looking forward to this demo today. I'm really looking forward to seeing and talking to you about possible more designs for our own controllers. And I think this is going to be a really fun activity. All right, happy Friday.